Hi my friends. Today I want to show you most important thing in futures or margin trading. Take your pen and a leaf for understand and remember this. Let's talk about leverage. I will give an example right away. Click on the shoulder size and choose 1x, that is, we do not use the shoulder at all. Let's imagine what we have on futures balance 10 United States dollars, you open long Bitcoin for all of your deposit. It's $10 and after the price has risen by 20%, that is, you earn $2 net excluding costs on the commission, everything is as on spot market. Let's put our shoulder 5x. Now your position is multiplying by 5. In the event of an increase in the price of Bitcoin by 20%, we multiply this percentage by 5. Which will equal 100% to the deposit. That is, you will earn instead of $2, already $10. But if the price goes against you and will fall by 20%, then your position will be accordingly liquidated. To make it easy to count percentage of profit and loss when entering a trade, just multiply your shoulder by the percentage of price movement. For example, with a leverage in the 50x and a price movement of 2% will be 100% to the deposit, i.e. 50 multiply by 2. Also with 25x shoulder and movement prices at 4%, we will also receive 100% to the deposit, we multiply 25 by 4. It is very important that you do it understood. This video is for beginners, so I don't want to ship you with unnecessary information. The main thing is for you to understand risk management and what the shoulder size needs to be multiplied by the percentage of price movement. Learn to count their risks, because most people not understanding elementary things are losing a lot of money. And I have bonus for my viewers. If you guys like trading on Binance, you can register on Binance Exchange using my referral ID or using the link from the description and you will get a discount of 40% more on this in my other videos and on my site. I hope someone will find it useful. If you guys are here for the first time you want to stay up to date with everything to do with crypto, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Right there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and use to algorithm will push the video out to more people who see the positive side crypto world. Thanks.